The guy that hops out and gets them on board.
All right, rapid intervention crew ready.
Yes, sir.
I hope
This is not going to be a hoist rescue. We're trying to find a location. Once you get in here, you can assess where you can get in. I'm trying to determine how many folks are up here.
Yeah, that dirt spot right there looks good, Dave. Even if you have to hold it on a one wheel, I'll go run up there.
Okay. All right, remember, fuel is critical.
Yep, I gotcha. You got like 3 feet.
See, I'm thinking right here ought to just work.
All right, I'm going to open the door.
Yeah, go ahead.
And Helco from 4. Go ahead, 4.
Yeah, just an update. We actually have 3 individuals and 2 dogs.
Copy that. Let me know when you're lifting, and I'll take you down to the fuel site.
Okay, yeah, that sounds great. There's 1 dog here, English Mastiff. That's a little apprehensive, but we're getting them on board.
Copy that.
All right, Helco 4, we got everybody on board, and we'll be lifting here momentarily.
All right, copy that, sir.
Are we okay now?
All right, you're clear now.
All right.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah, it was.